Hi guys, Chef Pete here with his Accented Palate. Today's episode gonna be about donuts. Really delicious and quick ones. Let's get started. As you will see, it only takes a few ingredients to make these, and it will not take any longer time than making pancakes or waffles for breakfast. And how much more fun is to serve fresh hot donuts in the morning. We're gonna start with our standard wet and dry ingredient method. So we're gonna whisk together the ricotta cheese and the eggs in a bowl. The good thing about making your own donuts is that while whisking the batter, you get to burn some calories. And this way, you get to eat one of these suckers free of guilt. Add the salt, and then we're gonna whisk together the baking powder and the flour and just mix the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together. You don't have to make the batter completely smooth, just whisk it until most dry flour pockets disappear. Since I don't fry food too often, and I'm too frugal to just waste a bunch of oil for one dish, usually I use my smallest saucepan for this method. It usually takes a little longer to cook it since I have to cook them in batches and I only can fit probably 3 donuts at a time, but this way I can save some oil. Heat the oil about 360 degrees and we are in business. The easiest way to transfer the batter into the oil is with an ice cream scoop. It is the safest too. Since I only have a 4-ounce ice cream scoop at home, I only fill it about halfway, so the donut's not gonna puff up too much. But if you have a 2-ounce one, you can fill it up completely. And if you don't have an ice cream scoop, don't worry about it. I will show you a different method a little bit later. I have great memories eating these when I was a kid. One of my grandmother's friends used to make them for us kids all the time at their lake house. It was a really fun time to go out there, basically playing in the lake. And when we got out of the lake, have fresh donuts to be served and just eat right on the spot. As I said it earlier, no ice cream scoop? No worries. You can just use 2 spoons and do the same thing. It will get a little messier, but that's fine. Cooking in batches may take a little longer, but it still only have to cook for a minute or 2 on each side for each batch, so still can get the whole thing done pretty quickly. After frying them to golden brown and delicious, transfer them over to a plate lined with a paper towel to soak up all the excess oil. Since the only sweetness will come from the powdered sugar, you will dust it at the end. Be generous with it. Add lots and lots and lots of powdered sugar. And there you have it, guys. Ricotta Donuts. Easy, absolutely delicious, definitely a crowd pleaser. Try it for your next breakfast. Won't regret it.